Welcome back, beautiful family. Today I want to share with you a very delicious shrimp broccoli recipe that I know you guys are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. To prepare this delicious and amazing shrimp broccoli dish, these are ingredients. I have water, I have cornstarch, onion powder, sesame seed oil, low soy sauce, sesame seeds roasted, garlic cloves, black pepper, of course the star, the shrimp, half an onion, half a bell pepper, and some broccoli. So let's get started.
I am ready to make the sauce. I am adding 2 tablespoons of water, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. I'm adding to this all the ingredients. I'm adding the spices, 1 tablespoon of each spice and 2 tablespoons of sesame oil, half a cup of soy sauce, and 3 garlic cloves. We are going to make the amazing sauce first. I am going to add this garlic into the sauce, mix it really good. And now, of course, I'm going to start slicing the broccoli. Look at this, pulling it apart. You decide how big you want your pieces, but this recipe is delicious and healthy. Make sure that you decide how big you want your florets. I have the onion here. I have the bell pepper here. I'm just going to cut in medium size pieces. My pan is nice and hot. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. I'm going to add the broccoli. Once you add your broccoli, just add half a cup of water, cover it, and when it is nice and green, after 2-3 minutes, you are ready to remove your broccoli. I am going to remove it, and I am going to start adding into the same pan 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil, and I'm going to add my shrimp. Like I said, this is an easy recipe. Very few ingredients, but it comes out amazing. You're gonna add your shrimp. Once the shrimp turns pink, you don't want to overcook it. You want your shrimp to be just pink. That's when you're gonna add your onion, your bell pepper. You're going to incorporate it really good. And now we are ready to add the sauce. This sauce is going to get nice and creamy, and it's going to cover everything. Once you add it, do not add any salt, because remember we added the soy sauce. So here I'm just going to incorporate everything. After just 3 minutes, the sauce is going to get nice and thick. And when you see it bubbling, then you are ready to add your broccoli into the shrimp. Look at this. Look how delicious this looks. It's nice and thick. Now we are going to add our broccoli, and we are going to incorporate it. Don't overcook your shrimp. Once you add your broccoli, just incorporate it really good. When everything is nice and covered, you are ready to serve. This is an easy recipe that I know you guys are going to love. Once everything is nice and incorporated and coated with this amazing sauce, then you're ready to serve. Of course, I am going to add some roasted sesame seeds on the top, but this already smells amazing. Can't wait to enjoy. Look how delicious it looks, and everything is nice and coated. I am ready to enjoy. This is my plate. And of course, I'm going to be very generous, adding all these amazing shrimp and broccoli. I'm going to add a little bit of the roasted sesame seeds right on the top. I love roasted sesame seeds. It really gives this dish an amazing flavor. Okay, I'll see you in a bit. If you liked and loved this recipe, please leave me a thumbs up. Can't wait to enjoy.
friends, I am completely done with this amazing shrimp broccoli dish. I added, of course, some white rice, and I want to taste a little bit of everything. I am sure that once you make it, you're going to fall in love with it. Easy, delicious, excuse me. The broccoli is still al dente, really crispy, but yet not overcooked. I hope, my friends, you make this amazing recipe at home. If you liked and loved this amazing recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated so every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. I will stay enjoying this amazing shrimp and broccoli dish. Like, subscribe, and share. See you on my next amazing recipe. Bye-bye.